Hi everyone, this is Kamal and I welcome you all to the detailed UI demo of Nokia X. And we have done a brief UI demo in our earlier video, but this is more like a detailed thing, so I don't think you would like to miss it. So first coming to the basic stuff, like it has got two home screens that we know. One home screen is called Fastlane and another one has is the application home screen. So we'll see how can we manage the application home screen first. So when we come to application home screen, it has the apps, but they are not they don't look typically like Android icons, but they are like live tiles, which Nokia has cleverly managed to look like Windows live tile, Windows Phone live tile. So but they are not similar to Windows live tile in how they function. So they don't flip and show the current information, so they are more like stationary icons, other than photos where we can just see the photo appearing, but other icons they don't flip. But still, okay, let us see how we can work with them. So as you can see, there is one search here as well. So if you go to app home screen and just scroll down, you can see the search appearing here. So you can search online or you can search any apps from here. Okay, now uh, if I long press on any of the application, it will show me this arrow and I can resize it. So when you long press on a native application, so it will just show you one option of just resizing it. But in case if you long press on a third-party application like Twitter, so it shows you three options basically. So one option enables you to just uninstall this application. By pressing this, you can actually resize it. And the third option allows you to change the color. So you can see this third option lets me change the color of the tile. So I can change the color of the tile like this. And changing the color of the tile, actually this has been enabled with the recent update. Okay, now you can see this folder icon here. So once I have long pressed on any of the third party or native application here, I can actually put it in a folder here. So I can just uh, press on this folder icon here. So let us see how it works. So you go on any of the application, long press, and this folder icon appears. So you can just press on this folder icon and give a folder the name, and you can see how this application will go in the folder. So I have created a folder here for third-party stores. So this folder houses all these third-party stores. Yeah. So this is basically how you interact with this application home screen. Actually, if you talk about resizing, then unlike the options that you see for resizing in Windows Phone, you can actually resize in, I mean, just there are two sizes here. So one small and one big, that's it. Anyways, but here you have at least freedom to choose the color of the third party apps. That is really good. Okay, now if we go to this Fastlane, so this Fastlane is uh, much advanced than what we see on Asha 5XX range. So with this Fastlane, you actually see that there are two options. Either apps which are running, they will show their update or history here, and you can do lots of things. So like if you are playing music, then you can play or pause the music from here. If you have opened a web page, the web page will show it here. So it's really good. And you have all the notifications coming as well. So you can see lots of notifications and messages which appear here. And I can say that I'm really impressed with the notification reliability of this phone. So I get everything here. So like this is how it works. Okay, now coming to the question of how can we manage this fast lane. So if you long press on this anywhere, if you long press, let us say I long press here, so I am now you can see this cross button, so I can just close any of the delete any of the history from the fast lane. You can do a mass delete as well with this delete icon. I can delete anything here, so as you can see. Then you have settings appearing here. So with what you can set is like you can manage. You can manage whether you want notifications there or not on the fast lane. You want apps showing their history or not. You want a social network shortcut or not. You can also manage which apps will show their notification on the fast lane, or you can also manage which apps will show their history on the fast lane. You can also manage which social network will show it shortcut. So like let us see how it works. So as I have chosen Facebook, so if I go and press here, okay, it should take me to the Facebook. So it has taken me to the Facebook. Okay, so this is about these two home screens and how they work and how you can manage them. Now